Over the next several videos, we're going to be talking about lighting inside of Unity. Now, this is one of those things where what we're going to be focusing on is really the technicalities behind working with lights. We're going to talk about the types of lights that are available in Unity, how to control them by adjusting things like color and intensity. We're going to talk about light cookies, a lot of talk about working with shadows, some decoration kind of stuff like adding halos and flares to your lights. We'll talk about adjusting your render modes, working with culling masks. But one thing we're not going to be getting into is how to build the perfect lighting setup for any given situation.
Well, I don't think there is a perfect lighting setup.
Yeah, and this is true. It's going to be one of those things where it takes a lot of time and practice to really get in tune with proper lighting techniques. And what we're here to do right now is to introduce you to the tools and teach you what you have at your disposal for creating, working with, and controlling these lights overall. But we're not here to be like, oh, well, in these situations, you should always do X, Y, and Z with your lighting. That's not the kind of video that we're putting together here. So here we're looking at our demo scene that you'll be seeing a lot of over the next several videos. You'll see it's fairly basic. It just has some geometry and a great big block of cast shadows that we can start off with. We'll be adding all kinds of additional lights to this and showing you how to, again, work with and control each one of those lights here inside of Unity. Now, we are not going to be talking about light mapping in this section. Light mapping actually gets its very own section. So if you're interested in learning more about that, please go ahead and skip this and jump over to the light mapping section itself. But if you're interested in learning more about working with Unity's lights, then sit down, strap in, and let's get ready to knock out some discussion over Unity's lighting system. That'll wrap things up for this quick intro. Thanks for watching.